After the filling has been done, we are now ready to move on to our patina process. The patina that we're going to do on these three pieces, we will use some black patina on our engraved design and also some black patina on our low relief design. On our high relief design, we are going to do some copper patina, but if you do not have copper patina, you can also do the black patina on this design. Before we can start doing our black patina, we need to clean our pewter properly. So again, we need to use some cleaning liquid, and I'm using the methylated spirits. And I'm going to start off with the engraved design, and I'm going to do one round of proper cleaning, and then if need be, do a second round. So I have applied some methylated spirits. Now I'm going to use a paper towel, and I'm really going to clean this with soft motions. I don't want to press too hard. I don't want to destroy my designs, and I don't want to remove the thin layer that's on the pewter. So I'm concentrating on these recessed lines because that's where we want to add pewter or patina to our design. I'm going to do one more cleaning session. Okay, once it's nice and clean, we can then move on to patina. So I keep a clean paper towel handy right next to me for cleaning my brush and for removing any patina that I might have left over on my design before I need to polish. I do not use my black patina from my main supply. I always pour out a little bit into the lid or into a small shot glass, because once I start using this patina, it will contaminate my entire supply. So I only use a little bit, and what I have left over, I normally throw away. So I've got a small brush handy, and it is nice and clean. I dip it into my patina, and then I'm going to paint the recessed lines, the engraved lines. I clean my brush in between before picking up another layer of patina. So once I'm done with the patina on this design, I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to first do the low relief patina, and then we can polish both of them together. The longer we leave the patina on, the darker it gets. And I do not mind this getting very dark, so I'm going to leave it. I'm going to put it aside, and we can continue with the low relief design. So before I can patina the low relief design, I need to do my cleaning process again. And I'm going to patina not the entire design. I'm only going to do these two side sections and maybe the central one as well, but I'm not going to do this one. or maybe I will do everything. So that I will decide as I do my patina. For now, I need to do a proper cleaning. So we added a little bit of a texture in here. So maybe we will do the inside of that as well, because that will become nice and dark with the texture. Once I'm done cleaning, I'm going to use a bit of a bigger brush. It's like a medium-sized brush. It's nice and clean, and I'm just going to again dip it into the patina, and then I'm going to paint the area that I want darker. And I'm going to try and stay within the recessed lines so that I don't spill over the lines. Okay, so I'm done with the black patina. That piece can sit now on the side, and then we can continue to polish our engraved design. We cannot continue now with our copper patina because then the black patina would have stayed on too long, so we need to do the polishing process first of these designs. Before I do my polishing, I take a paper towel and I just press it down right on top of my design. I don't wipe it, I just press it down, and I pick up any of the patina that might have not dried yet or that is still wet, so I don't want that to smear over my pewter once I do my polishing. So I'm polishing with my metal polish. This is brass. It needs to have a good shake. And then we pour on a generous amount. And we use some cotton wool to polish. So I normally have 2 pieces of cotton wool, one for applying the polish and one for buffing to a high shine. So one piece, I'm going to apply the polish and I'm going to concentrate on the areas that I want a little bit lighter. So if I have missed a little bit, I would then concentrate on that area to lighten the patina. And once you start getting a dark gray black residue, you are ready to polish. Like you can see there, I'm now already getting a dark paste that forms, so I can remove any of the excess polish from my tile and I can start buffing my pewter to a shine. So I usually have 2 pieces in my hand, one for holding down and one for polishing. So this is soft, quick motions. I don't want to press too hard because I don't want to remove the thin layer. You can see it's nice, getting nice and dark, and after it gets dark, it starts to shine. You can see immediately there, now it's starting to shine. So I just keep polishing until I have a nice shiny pewter. And you can see how nice and dark the engraved lines are coming out. I turn my cotton wool to a clean side, and then I take one clean piece to do one last round of shining. There we go. That's done. So I'm going to put it aside very carefully, trying not to touch the inside, because if you touch it, there's going to be a finger mark. And we don't want any finger marks on this before we seal it. So that one is done. We can now polish our low relief design. So I'm going to put this aside until it's time to do the sealing. Again, I'm going to use a paper towel, press it down and pick up any of the patina that's left over. And then we can polish. I'm going to use the same cotton wool to polish or to apply the polish. A generous amount of polish. Not too much, but you need your pewter to be nice and wet when you do the polishing. Again, I'm going to concentrate on the areas that I want lighter. So if I don't want the black to be too light, I'm not going to concentrate on the patina. I'm going to concentrate on the outside areas. But I do want this to be a little bit lighter on the centers. So I'm going to concentrate a little bit on the center to get it a bit lighter. There we go. And then I am ready to start buffing the pewter. So I can remove any of the polish that's on my tile. I don't want that to go back onto my pewter. And then I take a clean cotton wool and I can start buffing and polishing. Light, quick motions and your pewter will darken up before it starts to shine. And there you see it's starting to shine immediately. Just remove all of that polish again. Take a clean piece and then we can polish. I'm just using the paper towel just to hold down because I don't have a clean piece of cotton wool at the moment. And the paper towel avoids finger marks. There we go. That's that one done as well. So we can leave it on the side until we are ready to seal. So the patina might look a little bit light at this stage, but once I seal it with a clear lacquer, it does darken the patina. So I'm not too worried about it at the moment. You will see after the sealing process it comes out a bit darker. So this one can now rest on the side and we can continue with our copper patina. So I just need to do a bit of a cleaning and then we will come back and do the copper patina.